Among most inventions by humankind, some machines are designed to perform the most unbelievable and outrageous tasks. In today's episode of Mighty Machine Monsters, we will look at some machines that have left the world in shock after displaying their unique abilities on their working site. The RT-125 Heavy Duty Trencher. The RT-125 Heavy Duty Trencher is a heavy piece of machinery that will wow you with its power and stability. From the famous Ditch Witch, this machine works in all terrain and possesses a solid undercarriage superior quad-track system. It also has a 3-speed transmission with gears that can be shifted, allowing it to tackle on-site challenges. For its operators, there's a comfortable workstation with a swivel seat and a panel where the entire machine can be controlled, with increased legroom to ensure increased productivity. With the RT-125 with you on site, there is no limit to the amount of trenches you can dig, irrespective of soil type or terrain. Cobod Bod 2 3D Construction Printer. When a building is erected, various methods are put into play, ranging from wood, concrete, mud, and other materials to humans stacking these together to form this building. But with the advancements in technology today, there has been a change in the dynamics from the usual need for humans to carry out a massive percentage of the jobs. With the Cobod Bod 2 3D printer, buildings can be printed just like any other 3D printing you may already know about. This printing is very efficient and saves time and money for customers and users. In July 2020, the first locally printed 2-story house was unveiled in Europe. This house was printed using this stationary printer on concrete to a height of 8 meters and an area of 90 square meters. For this building, the wire mesh reinforcement usually needed was reduced, saving about 60% of materials for the users. This house was completed in only 3 weeks, thus hinting at the efficiency of this machine. Sany Global SCE 800TB. The company Sany Global has made the SCE 800TB all-electric telescopic boom crawler crane, which has a lifting capacity of 80 tons. This machine was created based on a previous model made by the same company. It has been equipped with better features like reduced noise for operators using it on site, an all-electric system with a permanent magnet motor technology made synchronous, and an inverter supplied. A D1P hydraulic pump has also been incorporated into the mix to enable all necessary operations without the hassles of short reach or reduced crane maneuvering. This crane assures high performance reliability and can quickly adapt to harsh terrains like dirty sites, lifting the heaviest of beams and wood on the site. CBI Magnum Force 5800. The machine you're currently looking at is the CBI's Magnum Force 5800, a mid-size machine designed for lifting materials on site. It was designed to meet the needs of contractors working with little production needs or limitations in transportation. The offset spiral rotors at stop and screen design and dimensions are the same as the Model 6800 for maintaining a high level of grinding performance. Despite this holding, the rotor width of the Magnum Force 5800 is reduced to make the machine have a width of less than 8 feet 6 inches and a weight of 64,850 pounds. The entirety of this machine is controlled by an IntelliGrind logic made by CBI, which consists of a variable feed rate that adjusts motor load automatically. Also, a modem communication system, which is optional, has been included to provide real-time diagnostics on the system during and after operation to ensure it works at an optimized rate. Tajfun Garden Sprayer. Another machine in the agricultural niche, the Tajfun garden sprayer, is a one-of-a-kind machine capable of maximizing profit to a large extent for farmers. Depending on the particular size and density of leaves on the trees, the operator can modify the air jet, do the working liquid to what is required or needed, and modify the spraying parameters. In addition to the main tank, the sprayer features 3 built-in tanks, one for hand washing and one for rinsing the equipment used for the process. It has a 7-meter height range and a 5-meter width with a turbine efficiency of 36,000 cubic meters per hour. If you're still with us on this thrilling episode of Mighty Machine Monsters, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to see more videos from us. Hammar's self-loading trailer. Hammar's self-loading trailers are an incredible work of engineering, capable of loading 79,300 pounds in 3.5 minutes. The Hammar's company's side loaders, also called skid steer loaders, are self-loading trucks or trailers used primarily for loading and unloading containers from the sea. They have a standard payload capacity of 79,300 pounds and can fully move loaded containers within record-breaking times. When this trailer is used for loading and unloading tasks, time and energy are conserved, and customer service is said to be of the highest quality, with one operator needed to make this possible at any given place or time. Bobcat Sand Cleaner. Another fascinating machine on this list is the Bobcat Sand Cleaner, a self-explanatory machine according to its name. It is an attachment used to help operators clear sand surfaces of debris and other small projects. Bobcat does its installation with a particular procedure which makes the process safe and secure. With this technique, the operator can sift sand efficiently and remove unwanted elements such as glass shards, bottle caps, cans, wood, and so on. It has a width of 1,900 millimeters, a depth of up to 200 millimeters, and a bucket capacity of 350 liters. This machine can clean sandy areas of up to 15,000 square meters per hour when in operation. With its lifting loaders, sitting at a height increases its productivity, making the dumping of debris into a dump truck easy. XCMG Scissor Elevator. The XCMG Scissor Elevator machine was manufactured by Suzhou in China. It is an electric vehicle with 2 front driving wheels to ensure safety due to an alarm system. It is manufactured with a height of 314 inches and a width of 30 inches. A lifting capacity of 617 pounds and an extensive length of 35 inches. On top, there's a surmountable elevator of 25%, giving 0 emissions during operation, making it an eco-friendly machine. When it lifts or lowers loads, it does so with so much stability and ease of operation. The maintenance is very convenient, and its hoist is used in factories, warehouses, and construction sites. It has been made to be used mainly in narrow spaces. Uniforest 85H Pro. Working in forest can be severe with many woods, branches, and stumps. When trees fall, reliable machines are needed to move them out of the way. This brought about the manufacture of the Uniforest 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch, which has a pulling force of 8.5 tons. It is an easy-to-use machine with its winding device, auto stop, and smart 3-in-1 feature. To operate this machine, a remote control is utilized with a folding window grill attached to make transporting the logs easy. The design was made to have a compact backstrap which protects it against wear and tear, thus enabling the machine to last longer after usage on the most difficult terrains and forest operations. 1233 Scrapers K-tec. The 1233 Scrapers K-tec is a popular machine in the K-tec lineup. It can handle all soil types and conditions with an unbelievable fuel efficiency for a machine of its size. It can load soil material at an insane speed and can also be made to move more by mounting two K-tec 1233 scrapers in tandem attached to a single tractor. When this is done, it can move the soil material of 50 meters cubed in a single pass with just one operator needed for the job. That's such a crazy value when you think about it. It does this with a power unit of just 450 horsepower. Beton block concrete block. The Beton block machine is essential in construction, enabling engineers and construction workers to carry out their jobs faster and more efficiently. They're very versatile machines that are important in wall partitioning, retaining walls, and trenching silos, among a host of other applications. They can also be used in the waste management industry, the agricultural industry, and the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are used for various reasons, mainly safety reasons like road closures or flood protection. It has different types of molds, with only a concrete block mold needed to produce different kinds of blocks. TG7000 Hopper Shredder. Delving deeper into unbelievable machines, the TG7000 Hopper Shredder is made with a combination of new generation technology and power, designed to perform large-scale land clearing. It contributed extensively to the recycling of wood wastes. It has a patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual bolt cutting heads used in building the equipment. With the optional cab-mounted and gripper loader, the TG7000 Hopper Shredder is operated by one man, increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. The Komptech Topturn X. The Komptech Topturn X is a very reliable machine with high-performance capability made for small and medium-sized compositing operations. Being a powerful compost windrower, this machine turns and aerates compost to speed up the decomposition process. With a drum speed of 0 to 195 revolutions per minute, a large volume of compost can be processed quickly, making for a very efficient and reliable machine in this agricultural practice. It has a window width of 4,500 millimeters and a window height of 2,200 millimeters, which enables it to perform these operations swiftly and effortlessly. The Wowjoint Machinery Company SLJ Series. The SLJ Series is a fantastic piece of machinery which is also known as the Iron Monster. It has been attributed to the construction of many high-level bridges worldwide. It's a hero in the world of bridge construction and has contributed significantly to its advancement. It makes the bridge construction process faster and helps operators and clients save costs, resources, and time, as it is very efficient. This titan of the construction world can lift and install various fabricated bridge sections at 5 kilometers per hour and assemble them quickly. The machine is about 91 meters in length and weighs 580 tons. This can, however, be seen as an added advantage for the bridges because architects are done with the design, additional resources are given to test their durability and strength, and other resources like load. Despite this, there's also a disadvantage of its length of service and construction being set at a 4-year limit. The Iron Monster SLJ series can withstand a laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which, when observed, is equivalent to the set time for its operation lifespan. If you've enjoyed this video as much as we had making it, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Also, share with your friends and family and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you all in the next video.